it's Kirsten from WTI. I have found a new way to get a better night's sleep and reduce muscle tension all at the same time using this acupressure mat by the brand Bhaava. If you're new to acupressure mats like I was before I started using this about 3 weeks ago, let me just quickly show you how it works. So this mat and pillow are covered with these little spikes. Don't let them fool you. These little spikes actually trigger pressure points in your body that are really good with reducing any muscle tension, increasing circulation, reducing inflammation. In my case, they've been extremely beneficial. So what I love the most about this mat and pillow is the fact that you can use it in any situation, anywhere, and because it comes with this great bag, you can use it on the go. So if you sit for a long time at work like I do, you can put it on a chair and sit down, and you can feel right away the benefits. I started using this mat for about 5 minutes a day, and I worked my way up. Now I can use it up to half an hour, and you can also start with clothing, so you don't feel the pressure as much. But I love how this mat feels against my skin. You will notice little indentations, perhaps a little bit of inflammation on your skin when you first start using it, which is completely normal. But the more you use it, the more benefits and the more your skin is going to get used to it. So I love using this mat before I go to bed. Just laying on it for about 15 minutes has a huge impact on the quality of my sleep. This mat is so flexible, so you can put it on the ground, put it on a chair. I brought it to the beach. I even shared it with my husband. He loves the pillow. You can stand on it, which feels so good on your feet. I just feel like this mat has so many benefits. I've been using it since I've been lifting weights at the gym, a little bit of muscle tension, and this mat has been so helpful for me. So I highly recommend this mat for you, for a friend. I know you'll love it as well, but that's just my point of view.